my second year, I think, that I have been got the good fortune of all of you come to my house and wish me and give me all this love. I've just spent 1 hour talking to my fans on the phone, and really feels nice. This is the something that I think of as a blessing, and it's just I cherish this. I don't take this as something that I deserve, but something that I've been blessed with. So it feels really good to be surrounded with so much love. I just wish I can make every single person in the world feel the way I feel right now. The world would just be rid of any kind of pain, any suffering, and all the bad would just disappear. If you can just spread all this love every day to everyone. So I think that's going to be my mission now, to try and spread that love. All that I've got on this day, I'm going to try and spread that every single day after this day. You all get tired singing. How many takes? सबसे पहली wish, I think, my whole family, starting with Suzanne, of course, and then सब एक साथ they all piled up and wished me at 12 o'clock. सबसे अच्छा gift ये है कि I am here on this day with all of you, and I get so much love. पता नहीं, I feel blessed, and that there is the best gift is that I can sit here and I can put a smile on your face, and you can put a smile on my face without saying anything. I'm smiling and you're smiling. I think that's the best gift that I can ask for. मैंने क्या मांगा? Actually, पिछले कुछ some time in the past, I have encountered a lot of health issues. So I think I've realized that इस life में the most important thing really is health. तो अगर आपके पास health ना हो, then you really can't enjoy anything else in your life. It's through your body that you actually enjoy other things in your life. So I wish for myself, for my kids, for my family, for all of you, I wish the best of health. क्योंकि एक बार अपने हाथ में health होना, we can do anything. Everything else is a matter of effort, except your health. Your health, you should be blessed with good health, and that's what I wish for all my fans, for all of you, for all my kids and my family, and for myself. Thank you. अरे आप खा लो ना, आ जाओ यहाँ पे आओ. First bite आपके लिए, ले लो, खा लो. यार मेरे को खिलाएगा, मैं मोटा हो जाएगा मुझसे. I'm feeling good. I am looking good. So I'm recovering well. Hopefully, once Krish starts, I will be absolutely fine. I feel very fortunate that I can, be put on this platform where I could, inspire others, others who are, struggling, or they have some kind of struggles in their life, who, need to. Sir, आपकी music कहाँ से play हो रही है? वाह, कमाल है sir. हाँ, तो so I feel very blessed that and also it reaffirms my belief that I'm on the right track, and I have to just keep doing what I'm doing. And through this, maybe I will help others, achieve in their life, because I think when I was struggling, I had to see some examples. You only learn by examples. So if I can be an example for others, that's a blessing, and I will. It motivates me more. It makes me, work harder.